Okay, we're going to be making our cauliflower, tandoori cauliflower today in the air fryer. Super simple to do. We're going to go ahead and throw the garlic and ginger in the processor, some red peppers, and these are a little bit spicy. You can add any pepper that you like. You can add the sweet red pepper or roasted red pepper, whatever flavoring you like, so you are not locked into spicy red pepper. We're going to throw in the salt and the pepper. We are going to throw in a little bit, about 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt. About 1 teaspoon of red chili pepper. Again, your choice. You can also use paprika. And then the key to this is a little bit of tahini. So maybe 1 good tablespoon of tahini. It adds a nuttiness. It helps the tandoori paste stick to the cauliflower and just adds a nice fattiness that you wouldn't get otherwise. So I'm going to put this aside here and I'm going to go ahead and roast some of my spices. So 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and this has 2 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 2 cloves, 5 to 6 black pepper, and a few pieces of cinnamon. I'm going to roast these all up, dry roast them, and we're going to throw them back into this. So let's do that. Okay, we're just going to turn this on to high. And then I'm going to put in the cumin seeds, all of these spices, and the coriander seeds. We're just going to quick dry roast them. Just as soon as you start to smell the nuttiness and the smoky flavors start to tickle your nose, then you're going to take this off and throw it into the blender. So you don't want that kind of raw flavor of spices. That is an undesirable flavor in Indian cooking. You want a little bit of roasty toastiness, either dry roasted or fried or whatever you need to do to get the flavors to kind of bloom and the oils to start to really do their magic. I can smell it already. So we've got our seeds here. We're gonna throw everything in. And we're gonna just zip it up. Yes, nice. So the reason I chose this blender or chopper is because I want a little bit of texture. Perfect. Oh yeah. You get the fattiness, you get a little bit of the roasted spices. It's just perfect. So we are going to just dump this onto the cauliflower. I'm going to let it marinate for about at least 30 minutes. That starts to penetrate the cauliflower and starts to kind of really let the flavors soak in so that when I put it in the air fryer, you get the perfect tandoori cauliflower. We're gonna have this with a yellow dal, so lentils, and all right, I'm gonna get my hands dirty. Only way to do this. You want everything coated. Beautiful. And we're just gonna let this rest for a little bit before cooking. You can do this on the grill to get that smoky flavor if it's nice outside. Today I am gonna do it inside the air fryer because it is cold outside, so we're not gonna do that. So we're just gonna throw this into, we're gonna let it marinate and then throw this into the air fryer. Perfect, let it rest.